know that September is National Coffee Month? That's cause for celebration. So stick around and let's have some fun. Cheers. I have here an article from Life Extension magazine from 2012 talking all about a new study that was done by the New England Journal of Medicine. And they found that coffee drinking adds years to your life. Now, their evidence showed it helped reduce vascular disease, slash cancer risk, preserve cognition, and mitigate diabetes and obesity. Wow. I'll sip to that. If you'd like to know more, I'll put the information down below in the description. It turns out that it's the polyphenols in the coffee that do all the magic and create all the great benefits. When I want to create a coffee shop ambiance while I'm studying or reading, these are the YouTube channels I really recommend. Because of all the problems that Boston and the colonies were having with tea imports back in 1773, coffee became kind of the default drink, and coffee houses opened up, and they were often called penny universities because for a penny you could grab a cup of coffee, sit and listen to all kinds of political and philosophical discourse and learn a lot, hence penny universities. So at this point you're wondering, well, what coffee do you drink? I have three favorites. I love flavored coffee. The first company I drink is Fire Department Coffee because they put out a rum-flavored, non-alcoholic rum coffee. So good. My second is amaretto coffee from nuts.com. It's affordable and it's so good. And the third is actually, interestingly enough, from the My Pillow company. They make their own coffee and it is so fresh. It was surprisingly very impressive. So much so, I bought a bunch of bags for Christmas gifts last year and I got very good feedback. So those are my three go-tos. So what coffee do you love and recommend? Leave it below in the comments and share. Can you tell I love my coffee? We're going to make coffee cupcakes today and we're going to top them with these. Isn't that a great idea? Let's begin. Our great forefather, Patrick Henry, once declared, "Give me caffeine or give me death." Okay, so that's not exactly what he said, but I'm sure he meant it. I'm so glad you stopped by the world of Serenity, Peace, and Comfort to share National Coffee Month with me. I hope you had fun, and I hope you'll subscribe and help us grow this channel. Thanks so much, and God bless you. See you next time.